6.4. Example 3. Factoring the sum or difference of cubes. So we have two formulas here. We've got our sum of cubes that when we're adding, it's this one here, and we've got our difference of cubes. So you need to have these two written down. We're going to use these in this entire video here. So before we can do anything, we need to make sure that we have cubes. Okay? So that means this number and this needs to be a cube. This number and this needs to be a cube. So first check, is there a GCF? So check. GCF, if there is, take it out. So 5 goes into 5 and 40, and there's an x in both. So I'm going to divide by a 5x. 5 divided by 5 is 1. I have 4 x's, I take 1 out, so I'm left with x cubed. Plus 40 divided by 5 is 8. I have 1x and I took it out, so that's it. So now, this is a sum, so we're going to use this top equation up here. This 5x is going to come down the entire way. Okay, what we need to realize is we need to find the cubed root. Okay, this already looks like this. It's just an x. So it's x and then cubed. Now I need to find what the cubed root of 8 is. So if you've got one of my calculators, what you are going to do, sorry, let's clear this. So what you're going to do is you need to type in a 3 because it's a cubed root. Shift the caret button in whatever number it is. In this case, we're at an 8. And then hit the enter button. We get 2. So that means 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So I need to plug that number. So plus, we said it was 2 and then cubed. So each a that we see, we're going to write x, and each b we see, we're going to write 2. So this 5x comes down. Start this out. A we said was x, plus b is 2. A was x, it says squared, minus a was x again, times b, our b was 2. Oops, sorry, not parentheses. Plus b, which is 2, squared. And we need to simplify. So 5x, x plus 2, x squared. That should really be written as minus 2x. And 2 squared is 4. So that one is our answer. Here is b. It's a minus. Before we go on, let's check our 8 and 27 cubes because this already has a cube right here. So we just did 8 was 2, right? So let's check 27. So 3, shift, caret, 27. It's 3. I'll write those steps over here. 3, shift, caret, and then your number, whatever number it is. That's how you find that. So we said this was 2 for the 8. So all of this is our a, all that 2y, minus, and then 27 was 3 cubed, right? So a is 2y, b is 3. We're going to take that and plug it up into this one because it's a minus. So we have a, which is 2y, minus b, which is 3, times a squared. So 2y squared, and that needs to go in parentheses because that 2 is going to go to both, plus a times b, plus 2y times 3, plus b squared. So b is 3 squared. And let's simplify this. This is done. 2y minus 3. Remember the 2 goes to both, so 2 squared is 4. Y squared plus 2 times 3 is 6y, plus 3 squared is 9. And that is our answer. Let's try another one together. 2 is not a cube root, or we cannot take the cube root of 2 and get a whole number. So let's see if we can find GCF. So 2 goes into both, and there's x squared in both. So if I take it out of 2x squared, 2 divided by 2 is 1. We have 5, we take out 2, we get 3 left. Okay, so that looks better there. Negative 16 divided by 2 is negative 8. We had 2, we took 2 out, so we're good there. So that 2x squared comes down. Then we're going to use the formula we just did, that minus formula, all the way up here. I'm going to rewrite it just so it's easier to see. So a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Our a is just x. And we found our b, cube root of 8. We found cube root of 8 a couple times now. That is just 2. So let's plug it in here. So a is x, b is 2. So x minus 2, a squared, so x squared, a times b, so plus x times 2, plus b squared, so 2 squared. Simplify, 2x squared, that doesn't simplify. X minus 2 doesn't simplify. X squared plus 2x plus 4. Try these two on your own.